how to register Halifax online banking. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up any browser of your choice and then search for Halifax. After that, scroll down and make sure that you open up the official website of Halifax. It is halifax.co.uk. Then just simply open it up. And after opening up the website, you will be able to find the option of menu at the top. Just select the menu and then click on this option of everyday banking. Now select the option of register for online banking under banking online. Now wait for it to load. Here it will ask you to download application, or you can just simply register through online or on your web. Just simply click on this option of register through online banking. This is where it will take you. Now just simply scroll down and click on this option of register here. Now it will ask you some details about you, like your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your email address. Then just confirm your email address. Now it will ask you whether you live in UK or not. Just select it accordingly and provide the postcode. After that, you need to select your account type. Just select it accordingly and provide a sort code and account number. You can find these details on your debit card and also on your statement. Then just simply agree with the online banking terms and conditions and continue. This way, you would be able to provide the details of your account and your personal details. After that, you just need to create your PIN and other details about you. And this way, you would be able to register for the online banking. Later, you can just simply download the application of Halifax from Google Play Store or App Store and use the application. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.